So what we actually need to do, we need to turn this one upside down, rehook it, and then there is this gap. So we have to basically close the gap and turn this to the left a little bit more, but we better do it while it's open a little bit. So we're gonna go halfway. Stop it. Not too much, but we need to go a little bit, so it's gonna close the gap. As you know. We actually went a little bit too much, so we're gonna do a little bit less. So now we need to do clockwise before we do it the other way.